All right, we have Charlie back out this morning and getting him loaded up on the truck, and you're gonna see his new improvement. Come on, buddy. Come on. Move, Riggs. Up, up. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Up. Woo! Yes. Yeah, that was good. You almost jumped to the front of the truck. Good boy. Good boy. Up. Beautiful. That was your best one, dude. That was your best one. Come on. Come on. Up. Very nice. Very nice. Very good, dude. Very good. Okay. So we have eliminated the crate top that we were using, and now he's going up. I still have to have the leash on. My goal is no leash, just the hook command and have him jump in. All right. See you on the next one. Toodles.